Good evening, children. Welcome back to the channel English with Devangan sir. And as you know, the series is going on. Today, we are going to take the lesson Going Places from Flamingo. Children, I hope the crisp and precise videos that I have been giving in this exam time will be very much beneficial to you. So far, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it, share it with your friends, and the best part, be benefited by the content that has been given in the lesson. So let us begin. As we have been doing so far, we will first discuss the question, probable question, and then their universal answer, that is one only. So pay attention to the question. The very first question is, describe Sophie's character in her dreams. Since she is the protagonist, so without her, definitely we are not going to go ahead in the lesson. The lesson will revolve around her. So her character is most important. Second, how does Jancy differ from Sophie in her work? Here you can give comparison. I said if this question is asked Sophie and Jancy together, then one side you can write for Sophie and one side you can write for Jancy. So these are the two important characters. The third question is, what is significance of Sophie's fascination with Danny Casey? Fascination, attraction. Fascination, what it is? Attraction. So what is the significance? Actually, the whole story is that she created a story herself that she is in love with Danny Casey, or she is dating, or rather Danny Casey is dating her. So that is also important part of the character. Fourth question will go ahead with, why does Sophie fabricate a story? Fabricate bunati hai wo, weave a story about meeting Danny Casey just in order to get attention from her father, from her brother. How does the story explore the conflict between dreams and reality? Yes, the reality was that they were earmarked for the biscuit factory, and the fantasy, the dream was that she wanted to be a fashion designer, she wanted to open a boutique, she wanted to be a manager, she wanted to become a model like Mary Quant, and so on. There are many dreams that she looks at. What does Sophie waiting by? What does Sophie's waiting by the canal symbolizes? Yes, she not only tells lie to the people, but even she was living in that reality. यहाँ तक तो ठीक है कि भाई तुमने कह दिया डेनी केसी मुझसे मिला था, मैं उससे मिली थी, ऑटोग्राफ नहीं ले पाई, अब वो अगली मीटिंग में मुझे ऑटोग्राफ देगा, लेकिन तुम उसका जाके इंतजार कर रही हो. दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन. And what does it symbolizes that we are going to discuss in the answer. What message does A.R. Burton, the author, convey through this story? वो क्या convey करना चाहता है? That daydreaming is harmful at the age of adolescence, and this is found very much among the children. How does the story portray adolescent psychology? Adolescent psychology को कैसे story आगे बढ़ाता है? This we are going to see in the answer. So children, here is a unique answer that will help you a lot in learning, in creating the answer. So what I suggest you, my suggestion is that you should learn this answer by heart, write it in your copy, get it checked by your teacher, and then according to the question, select the part. If it is 2-mark question, select. If it is 5-mark question, write it as a whole, focusing on that particular part of the question. So let us begin with the answer. Going Places by A.R. Burton is a sensitive portrayal of adolescents fantasizing and the conflict between dreams and reality. बच्चों यकीन मानिए क्वेश्चन कुछ भी हो, अगर गोइंग प्लेस का क्वेश्चन है और आपका आंसर इस तरीके से शुरू होता है, यकीन मानिए एग्जामिनर आगे नहीं पढ़ेगा और इतना पढ़ के ही आपको फुल मार्क्स दे देगा. आई गारंटी यू. Even you ask your teacher, wherever you are across India, ask them, they will say, yes, this is a unique answer. That if you write this, it gives an impression that you know the whole lesson very, very well. This is the theme of the lesson, that Going Places by A.R. Burton, आपने ये भी बता दिया कि you know about the author, is a sensitive portrayal of adolescents fantasizing and the conflict between dreams and रियलिटी। अगर वो क्वेश्चन आता है ड्रीम्स एंड रियलिटी तो भी यही लाइन से चालू होगा। सोफी के बारे में आता है, जेंसी के बारे में आता है, थीम के बारे में आता है, सब कुछ यहीं से चालू होगा। सोफी द प्रोटोगोनिस्ट इज अ यंग गर्ल फ्रॉम अ वर्किंग क्लास बैकग्राउंड who indulges in unrealistic, who has involved herself in unrealistic dreams of owning a boutique, becoming an actress, or meeting Danny Casey, a famous footballer. सारी चीजें आ गई उसकी। हर फ्रेंड जेंसी, अब जेंसी की बात अगर आती है तो यहाँ से चालू कर सकते हैं आप सीधा। आपने फर्स्ट लाइन लिखी, गोइंग प्लेसेस बाय एयर बटन इज अ सेंसिटिव पोर्ट्रेल ऑफ एडोलसेंस फैंटेसाइजिंग एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन रियलिटी एंड ड्रीम एंड रियलिटी. Sophie, the protagonist, is a young girl from a working class background who indulges in unrealistic dreams of owning a boutique, becoming an actress, or meeting Danny Casey, a famous football player. यहाँ तक तो आप लिखेंगे, फिर जेंसी का डिस्क्रिप्शन चालू हो जाएगा। Her friend Jency represents practical reality and tries to ground Sophie's flight of fancy. कितना सुंदर सेंटेंस है, and tries to ground Sophie's flights of fancy. सोफी की जो डे ड्रीम है, जो फैंसी है, उसको वो ग्राउंड पर रखना चाहती. She wants that Sophie should not step out on the sky, rather she should put her feet on the ground. Sophie's fantasies stem from her desire. Sophie's fantasy stem from her desire to escape her mundane life and the limitations imposed by her social economical background. She is not ready to accept the fact that she is not meant to do all these things. Rather, she is earmarked for a biscuit factory. But she does not accept the fact, and she goes on dreaming and dreaming and dreaming. She even fabricates a meeting with Danny Casey, which her family does not believe. Her hero worship of the footballer reflects teenage fascination with celebrities. Sophie is waiting by the canal for Danny Casey, knowing he won't come. अरे कैसे आएगा भाई, उसको तो मालूम भी नहीं है कि somebody is waiting for her. Reveals her awareness of reality, yet unwillingness to abandon her dream. ध्यान से सुनो, उसको ये रियलिटी पता है कि डेनी केसी नहीं आएगा, ये बात वो बहुत अच्छे से जानती है. इवन देन इट शोज हर अनविलिंगनेस टू अबंडन हर ड्रीम. वो अपने ड्रीम को खत्म नहीं करना चाहती, उसको चकनाचूर नहीं होने देना चाहती, इसलिए वो ड्रीम को ही जी रही है. और उस ड्रीम को जीने के चक्कर में वो वहां पर इंतजार, किसी इज वेटिंग देयर फॉर डेनी केसी हु डज नॉट हैव टू कम. The story explores the psychology of adolescence, the tendency to daydream, the need for excitement, and the painful process of reconciling dreams with reality. It warns against excessive escapism, अत्यधिक भागने की जो प्रवृत्ति है, that Sophie had. So it warns against excessive escapism while sympathetically portraying the universal human desire to transcend limitations. Sophie's character teaches us the importance of balancing aspirations with realistic assessment of our circumstances. So बच्चों, इस आंसर को लर्न करो. ये 9 मिनट का वीडियो है. इट्स 9-minute वीडियो. वॉच इट ट्वाइस. Pause the video. Write the answer in your copy. Show it to your teacher. Learn it by heart. Write it twice, thrice. And I am pretty sure any question being asked from this chapter, you would be in a position to write the answer, and you will score 5 on 5 or 2 on 2. It will also help you to solve MCQs. Children, in the playlist for class 12 Flamingo, all other lessons have also been given. The last lesson, and then Lost Spring, Deep Water, Rat Trap, Indigo, Poets and Pancakes, Interview, and then this last lesson of Flamingo, that is Going Places. सभी वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिए, पढ़िए, समझिए, and do subscribe the channel for the notification so that you may come to know that a new video has been uploaded. बच्चों, इतना समय जरूर निकालना. Write your comment in the comment section so that it helps me go ahead and do well. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Till then, good day.